I'm getting up.
I need another cuff. Bro, stop resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
Recording? Recording.
Stop resisting. You can record. We're recording.
I'm getting up.
This was... All right. Give me your other hand, brother.
On August 11th, 2023, Orlando police responded to the Spirit Airlines gate at Orlando International Airport. A previously removed, apparently intoxicated man had returned to the secure gate area without authorization. The airline confirmed he had no flight. The legal basis is Florida Statute Section 810.08 Trespass in a structure. The statute requires two elements: a warning from the owner or authorized representative, and willful refusal to leave or unauthorized re-entry. Both were satisfied before officers even arrived. The Spirit Airlines gate agent qualifies as an authorized person under the statute. The subject had already been escorted out once. His return to the gate area constitutes willful re-entry. The trespass was legally complete before police made contact.
What's up, boss?
So I don't know how these gentlemen get back to the gate, but he's came back in jail and he's a SIM card now.
Okay.
He doesn't have no flight with us.
Okay, nothing here.
He's right over here. The one sitting down over here with a short.
The white shoes, blue Nautica shirts? Okay, what's he saying? That's his info?
So, how you been, man?
What's going on, boss? Good?
That's his bedroom. That's his information.
That's him here? Is he English speaking?
Both.
Both.
So I guess you're not going to understand him because it's really.
That's why I brought my people.
It's really cool.
Okay.
So you already told him he's not flying?
He doesn't have no flight at all.
What's he been telling you now?
He's been removed already. He came back. I don't know how.
Oh, gate 85, but he's not flying.
He's been back in the facility?
Yeah. He was arguing earlier.
Okay, so he has no business here.
There's no business
Okay.
at all.
He's traveling by himself?
So that's
Take it back to, you see the gentleman? Take it back to Atlantic side.
Oh, man. How you doing? Okay, you know you can't fly over here, right? They tell you can't fly.
We're told him that he's a fag, that he's mad.
No, he's not mad. It's that you're not flying with them. So I don't know why you came back over here. They escorted you over to the other side.
And why not?
Listen, all I need you to do is get up, and then we're going to leave. If you refuse, I'll take you to jail for trespassing.
Grab your bag, brother.
Give me a second.
No, second.
No, give me a second. I got my right.
Grab your bag.
All right, the one, the fifth, and the fourth.
Grab your bag.
No,
We gotta go. Yeah.
Move over here. Yeah, I'll move you.
No, we're not playing games. Get your bag. Get your bag. We gotta go.
Chris, I
Grab your bag and let's
got
walk.
P police officer.
Get up.
Left up. Wow.
Turn around. Stop. Turn around. Put your hand behind your back.
Get up.
No. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Grab it. Go.
I am. Stop.
Stop. All right. Stop.
I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna get up. Stop. Can you stop?
No.
Let me get up.
All right. That one's on.
I'm asking. Can I get up?
I need a double cuff.
I'm getting up.
I need another cuff. Bro, stop resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
Recording.
Stop resisting. You can record. We're recording.
I'm getting up.
This was.
All right. Give me your other hand, brother.
Chris, give me. I am. What? Come on.
Give me your hand, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, get up. Can I get up?
Give me your hand, bro. Give me a tase next. He's good.
Hold on, my arm.
I need this hand back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hold on, my arm. You're hurting my arm.
All right, well, then stop resisting right now.
Put your hand behind your
Put
back.
your hand behind your back.
You fuck. Let me get up.
I don't want to hurt you, man.
Let me get up.
Put your hands
Let
behind
me
your
get
back.
up.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me get up. Let me get up.
Give me your hand.
I'm going to take you. Right here.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand, bro.
Let me get up.
Give me your hand. Stop
Let me
resisting, guys.
get up.
Behind your back. Get it out. It's gonna hurt.
Hold on, my arm.
It's gonna hurt.
My arm
Put your hand
hurting.
behind your back.
Listen.
Lean
my arm
forward.
hurting.
Lean forward.
1822.
Lean forward.
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Bro,
Listen.
lean
I
forward.
am. Listen.
Give me your hand, brother.
Listen. But let me get up. Let me get up. My arm hurts. That arm hurts.
Then lean forward.
You're hurting me.
Lean
me get
forward.
up.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I'm trying for the.
There you go, bro. Nice and easy. Okay, make it in. Nice and easy.
No, help me, coach.
Nice and easy.
Chris,
Hurts here.
listen.
Okay, now get up, my friend. See? Now you get up.
Hurt.
That's it.
I'm here.
Okay, stand up. There you go. All good to go. What I need to show 10:15.
No, I'll get you later.
1822.
Thank you. Where's your phone?
Come on, it's in your pocket. No, it's not my bag, you nigga. My bag. My bag.
Your phone? Let's go.
My bag. My bag. Your bag. Hello, stop. Hello. Cabrón, fucking tight. You know what? Truthfully, I'm hurt. You're hurting my arms, listen.
Stop resisting, dude. What did you just kick me?
No, I'm doing this.
You kicked an officer.
Come on.
Stand up.
All right. Listen, take a break for me.
I'm listening.
Come on, man. Take a break for me. Would you stop?
No.
Couple times. It's been quick. My arm. I'm hurting my arm. My arm hurt.
Where's the hurt at?
This way.
This way? You gonna chill? You ready to relax?
I've been chilling.
Are you ready to relax? We can walk like a grown man. That's up to you.
Go.
The officer then added a direct verbal warning, quote, "If you refuse, I will take you to jail for trespassing. This eliminates any defense of inadequate notice." The subject now had both the airline's prior removal and a police officer's explicit warning on record. The subject appeared to have limited English and spoke some French or Creole. The legal question: is a trespass warning effective if the recipient may not fully understand it? Under Florida case law, the warning need only be communicated through reasonable means. The officer spoke clearly and directly. The subject demonstrated contextual comprehension by responding in English at multiple points saying, "I am moving, I am getting up." Partial understanding of commands undercuts a language barrier defense. The warning was legally effective. After repeated verbal commands were ignored, officers initiated a physical arrest. The subject refused to place his hands behind his back despite clear, repeated orders. Under Section 843.02, that is, resisting an officer without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor, but officers then stated the subject kicked one of them during the struggle. That single act triggers 2 felony statutes simultaneously. Section 843.01, resisting an officer with violence is a third-degree felony up to 5 years in prison. Section 784.07 reclassifies battery on a law enforcement officer from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Same ceiling, 5 years, and a $5,000 fine. One kick transformed a walk-away trespass into 2 concurrent felony charges. The Florida Supreme Court addressed this directly in Tillman v. State. A person may not resist an arrest with force, even if that arrest is later determined to be unlawful. Here, the arrest was clearly lawful. Any physical resistance was entirely indefensible. The subject repeatedly stated, "I am not resisting," while physically refusing to surrender his hands. Verbal compliance does not equal actual compliance. Florida courts evaluate resistance based on physical actions, not verbal statements. His words helped the prosecution, not the defense. Officers also alleged a headbutting attempt. Both parties later confirmed on camera that no head contact was made. This is significant. It shows the officers documented the facts accurately rather than inflating charges. That transparency strengthens their credibility. Use of force analysis under Graham versus Connor. 3 factors: severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting. Trespass is minor, but active resistance in a high-security airport while intoxicated satisfies factors 2 and 3. The force applied, verbal commands, soft, empty-hand control, and joint manipulation sits in the lower range of the use of force continuum. No weapons deployed, no strikes delivered. Officers monitored pain complaints and adjusted techniques mid-arrest. This is textbook proportional force. Voluntary intoxication does not excuse general intent crimes under Florida law. Trespass and resisting arrest are general intent offenses. The subject does not need to have intended to break the law, only to have intended the act itself. Being drunk is an explanation, not a defense. The subject also made an explicit verbal threat, stating he intended to cause officers harm. While this alone could support an additional charge, it more likely gets folded into the resisting with violence narrative. It does, however, further justify the officer's continued use of physical control.
We are. There we go. Good. Yes, good. Please. 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 they said go on. I don't. Look, Adam.
Yeah. He's got them.
Okay.
He's got them.
Big boy.
Call for a light statement? Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, downstairs.
Cruise. Turn break. Hello. Yeah, we get down to the car.
Swap out?
What's that?
Swap out?
I'm not doing this. No. I'm not consistent. Like you are. Okay. 3, 1. Tackle on. You're going?
Yeah, no, of course it's man.
I'm in the middle. Yeah, 1, 2. It's too tight.
I will fix them.
Hold on. Please, listen. I can listen. I'm trying to talk. I know. Come on.
Okay, here we go. This ain't story time, bro.
Hey, you whatever. Tell around. 2 minutes, please. Breathe.
Yeah.
We'll get downstairs. What? Okay, tag. Cool. You know. That's why you're on. You gotta go. Oh, sorry. Okay, you feel me? Here we go. That's great. Okay. It's one of them. Two.
Yeah, we'll get down. Downstairs, right now.
Oh, yeah? I'll play the one. The one.
Yeah. So I was just gonna arrest you for disorderly, but since you try to hit me with your fucking
kicked him.
head, with your
He
head,
kicked him.
I didn't hit you.
that's what you're gonna get.
I didn't hit you. Come on. You want to do it?
Felony charge, brother. Battery law enforcement officer.
I'm gonna fucking do it. I didn't hit you. I'm hungry.
No.
I see you. Let me go. I'm hungry. You say, you told me.
We'll go downstairs.
Hurt my feelings.
When we get downstairs, we'll adjust it.
You know what? Shit.
I got that.
All is back.
I'm not on it. Right there. This system, wow. I got fucking.
Embarrassed by you.
And no, fuck you. You watch this one.
How old are you, man?
You?
How old are you?
I'm out.
It don't matter?
No. How are you? How are you?
Oh, there we go. It's just a little slower.
How are you?
Old enough to
Yeah, it's fine.
20?
be here.
25?
Oh, man.
30?
A whole lot more than that, man. I'm probably your age, except I'm mature.
What's the age then?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. I'm just your age. I'm just that drunk.
I'm 60.
Yeah. Isn't that something?
I'm
I'm
drunk.
ashamed. Grown man like you.
Drunk.
Go through all this. This is how you act in the airport. We're good.
Yeah.
Good. Pretty sad. You got kids, man? You got kids?
It's recording. It's recording.
Come on. Let's go.
It's recording. Good.
Let's go, buddy.
My phone.
Let's go, buddy.
It's recording. I'm recording. I see my arm. I got coming from there goes a bit. You know, they give me a phone. And also, quick.
Oh, hang on. Okay, what do you want to call?
I'm out.
Ghostbusters?
No, I call him. Fuck. Look at it.
Hey, look at you, man.
Now you push me. I hope you're recording. Okay, left or right? Right, please. Which one? 1, 2, 3. No? Number 2, my friend. First one or second one?
Oh, yeah, my friend.
They're a little piece of me. Hey. 1 pick, 2 pick. 1 or 2, turn, which one? First one. That's you, man. What are you doing?
What's your name? What's your name? Come on, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna adjust these handcuffs. Okay, as long as you behave. If not, I'll throw you in the back seat the way the handcuffs are. And the only reason that they're tight is because you resisted us all the way. So let us fix them. You want us to fix them? So do not move. We'll take the watch off. There's a watch with your ring on in your pocket. in your pocket. Don't move.
So that's done. Okay.
Keep them back here.
That one's
They're gonna
done.
Fix it.
That's loose. Plenty loose.
Okay.
It's locked. Fix this. Lock that fucker.
We went up. Go to the jail.
Okay. We're just gonna. How are we looking on this? Okay.
There we talk. Here we're gonna talk.
I'm just gonna.
No, you good.
No, no, we talk.
All right. Ever so slightly.
That's what it is. I'm not gonna.
I appreciate you, man. I wish you'd have done that to begin with.
No, I said.
Truly.
I
Now
told
we
you.
don't
I
lock.
had a couple of tunnels. You won't come at me?
Okay.
You won't come at me?
He's
Some
searched?
tunnels? You won't come around?
Okay. You got him. You got him.
I'll tell you the best way to sit there. Look at me. Turn your back that way.
Yeah, I'll throw that out.
Come on out. Come back out.
Thank you.
Bring your knee over here a little bit. Now sit down. Now sit down. Scoot back.
Yeah, they know me. I got a couple of tunnels. It's late. That's all.
Okay, scoot back.
You got it?
When you sit down, it's not gonna.
Fuck it.
You got the key. I'll get it started.
That's how you guys sit.
Okay.
You take a picture of that?
Yeah. Let me get that air going, man. It's 100 degrees in there.
Yeah. You make contact with my head, bro.
No, I mean, stay secure.
Yeah. She's scared.
Post-arrest conduct matters in court. The officers readjusted handcuffs for comfort, asked about injuries, activated air conditioning in the patrol vehicle, and accurately documented the head contact question on camera. This level of post-arrest care undercuts any future excessive force claim. One officer's comment, "I appreciate you, man. I wish you had done that to begin with," summarizes the encounter. Every opportunity for voluntary compliance was offered first. The physical confrontation was entirely the subject's choice. Grades. The Orlando police officers receive a B+, legally justified arrest, proportional force, multiple de-escalation attempts, and professional post-arrest care. Clean performance with 2 minor tactical deductions. First deduction. Arresting the subject while seated created an avoidable ground struggle. Waiting for voluntary standing or using additional verbal persuasion could have prevented the physical confrontation entirely. Second deduction. No interpreter was requested despite a known language barrier. A French-speaking officer or phone interpreter could have resolved this without any force. De-escalation tools only work when communication is actually possible. The subject receives a D. His return to a restricted area after removal is willful trespass. His physical resistance converted a misdemeanor into felony charges. The alleged kick exposed him to 5 years in prison. Only his intoxication and language barrier prevent an F. Spirit Airlines and airport security receive a B. The gate agent acted correctly by calling police. Staff attempted bilingual communication before escalating, but the fact that a removed, intoxicated individual re-entered the secure gate area reveals a gap in access control. 3 takeaways. First, compliance is not surrender. It is the smartest legal strategy available during a lawful police encounter. This subject turned a trespass warning into potential felony prison time by refusing to walk away. Second, 1 kick changed everything. A simple trespass carries a maximum of 1 year. Battery on a law enforcement officer carries 5. The difference between walking out of an airport and walking into a prison cell was a single, impulsive act. Third, language barriers do not pause the law. Officers should request interpreters when available, but individuals in foreign airports must understand that inability to communicate does not create immunity from arrest. Compliance transcends language. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.